Cool.
Hi YouTube, it's Khalil here today. I have how to train your dragon 2, power dragon toothless, and how to train your dragon 2, hiccup versus drgo. We have today, it's so amazing, and spoiler alert, he has this metal arm because it got cut off by a dragon, and hiccup have his helmet and his flame sword. And I made a little paper mache flight suit so where he fly, he can pretend like flying wherever. And we have we have toothless. He have mouth open. His legs are articulated. The back ones move back. The front ones move forward. He has bendables in his tail. He has 2 spikes of rose from the new movie. He have his red tail detail and still have the pirate sign. And drgo has harpoon, which I lost in my bedroom. And hiccup has his mask and the thing. I'll show you how it works. Just put it on like Seal, put his mask on, have his flame sword, and he looks very cool. And it's cool to have toys that have you can have a mask and put it on and stuff. I love these toys. So drgo's legs are articulated, goes back and forth. He has left and right on his feet, which is kind of silly. He's a dumb villain or whatever that. And he can move his arms back and forth. He really doesn't have articulation in his hands because his head, but his hands can spread out like this, go forward and backward. Hiccup is articulate. Feet are articulated too. He can move his arms. His head can go in 360. As you can see, he has a flame sword and a helmet. And Toothless have a little slot right here that he can get on. Oh, I'm about to show you. And you can pretend like he's flying around. He's looking at the camera like, wee, wee, wee. Okay. I made his little paper mache flight suit. I stick it on his back like Seal. I smush it down very hard, have his feet like this, pointing out. I do like this. I put his hand right here, and I pretend like he's flying. He goes like this. He doesn't really fly. And then he's a silly hero too. Oops. He's a silly hero too because he has left and right. Left is on his foot, and right is on his peg leg. And Toothless has all his minifigures, and now I'm about to show you all of them standing together. Here, I lost his harpoon and I lost his thing, but it's pretty fun to do this because it's a lot of fun making this. Well, I'll see you later, YouTube. Bye.